Welcome back, Leia users. In this video tutorial, we're going over editing the head tag, providing feedback, the link to our tutorials, and viewing the initial walkthrough. Alright, let's get into the toolbox. So we're going to scroll down. As you can see, it's these few tools right here. And we'll start with editing the head tag. So I recommend against messing around in here too much unless you really know what you're doing. You can easily and accidentally remove all dynamic functionality. However, if you are going to try adding something like, for example, a Google tracking tag, Google Analytics, for example, I would first recommend doing so on a desktop device. It's a lot easier to copy and paste than it is on a mobile device. But you'll see that the strip of code, which is what's called a tag, you are given to copy and paste, will begin and end with a word surrounded by these chevrons or carets. Like you can see, this is /style. That's going to be the end. This is the opening. Style, it's got caret style. And then it goes down here to /style with the carets surrounding it as well. So the important part is to not paste anything inside another tag. So the best advice I can give you would be to go to the end and then hit enter and then enter another tag, for example. So now yours obviously isn't going to look like that. It's going to have an opening tag and a closing tag and a bunch of other stuff in between. So again, don't paste anything inside another tag. Your page will break and you will be unhappy. So let's go ahead and cancel this so I don't break anything. Alright, that being said, if you do accidentally break your page, don't save it. Exit the editor, then re-enter your site, and then it will have reverted back to before you broke it. Otherwise, shoot us an email and we'll see what we can do to help you out. Alright, next thing on our list is providing feedback. That's very simple. If you have some feedback you'd like to share, we'd really appreciate it. Enter it right in here. There you go. Alright, next, tutorials. It seems as though you found some tutorials. If you would like to find more, there's going to be a list of tutorials. And there's our tutorials. Just click on those and that'll take you over to YouTube and you can check them out. Alrighty, so the last thing we're going to talk about right now is viewing our walkthrough. That is, the walkthrough is what happens when you open up your website on a different device, or if you just created it, you're going to be walked through these excellent tips for using the editor. So if you need a refresher course, check out the walkthrough and get things going. Alright, that's it for now. Please check out our other tutorials for more topics. If you have any further questions about editing your site, feel free to send us an email to leia@vybesoftware.com or visit heyleia.com/contact. Thanks for watching.